Oh my god, this is thin and it is amazing. Of course, the cameras are excellent.
Quality is
You
brilliant.
have look at how thin it is. Really, really amazing out here. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have something very interesting. We have the Galaxy Fold 7 and it is absolutely thin. It's really thin. Look at this. It's amazing. And before we get into the actual video, before we talk about this, let's subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, don't forget to like the video, and let's look at this one. So the screen has become like a complete edge to edge, so that's something which is very interesting. Then you have obviously the big one, which is over here, which is again really flat, and you can't even see any ridges. It's become extremely flat, and they have obviously lost the cutout over here and they made like a punch hole camera. So that's one of the changes. You have got now a 200 megapixel camera. You have got a camera which is which match the S25 Ultra, and I can't get over the fact that it is so thin that the USB-C port has left no space. So let me open it and show it to you guys. If you see, the USB-C is completely covering. You know, they cannot make the phone thinner than this because now they will have to remove the ports. It's become that thin, and of course it is absolutely flat, but there is a slight curve to it. So that's there. Now let's open the camera. The camera has got a maximum zoom of 30x like the previous one, so there is no change in that. But then you do have a good 0.6x which is there, and if I look at the front camera, it is absolutely amazing because now there is no screen on top of the camera, which is good. Okay, so let's talk about the battery now. If I just go to settings, and here you'll be able to see, obviously the screen is damn fast. There is no question about it. We are looking at good amount of battery which is there. It was charged to 100%, and I've been using it since a while now, and the battery just does not drop, which is absolutely amazing and very interesting. And here you can see the Galaxy Z Fold, and man, this is really thin, and I think that, you know, somewhere you need to keep that in mind, that, you know, the device is absolutely thin. Where I don't know what Jerry Rig will do when he gets this. Is he going to, you know, try and bend it? I really want to see it, but this is absolutely amazing. I am happy that I can see this device. It's really good. If I look at the speakers, obviously it's got dual speakers which are there, so that gives a good bassy effect to the entire phone. Then if you're watching content or something, that is something which I wanted to bring up. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a very interesting video, and this is about the Tesla. It's going to be absolutely interesting. You might have read title as well. I'm going to do something called as... What do you think about the speakers? I think the speakers are pretty powerful, very well done. Dual speaker setup, absolutely amazing. It's a really good device. There's no question about it. Either you have the choice of zooming in, which then makes it look like only so much. So that's something which you'll want to consider if you're watching it on this. Obviously, if you're watching it over here, let me open it for you. Then you have a full image, but again, it is restricted. You'll have to lose a little bit of content if you would want to watch the whole thing. So that is something which you have to consider about this phone. And the other thing is, obviously you have Gemini, which is there, which comes with this phone. Of course you have Circle to Search. Of course you have Galaxy AI as well, which is there in this phone. So all those features come with the phone, but it's crazy. Look at it, I'm so thin. Plus, if I go on to video, you have the choice of 8K, which Samsung obviously S25 offers. You have all of those things already in the phone. So that is something which is there. So yes, should you consider buying this? I think definitely yes. It is so thin. It is so nice. And if I actually compare it to a random phone, you will be able to see that it is actually the same size, and this is a iPhone 15, so you'll be able to see the difference. It is amazing. Yeah, if you put a cover or something, it's going to be slightly fatter than what it is, but otherwise it looks really good. So that's from the video. If you guys are going to buy this, let me know down in the comment section and we can chat over it and talk more. And I am at the Samsung creator event, which is very good and which is the first. So do subscribe to the channel, send it to people, share the video. It'll really help me get this content to you. And as usual, thanks for watching.